Fliki is offering a limited time 50% discount on their monthly plans because Fliki has recently launched some new features, and they want the users to experience these amazing features. To get this 50% discount, click on the first link given in this video's description, log into your Fliki account, click Upgrade, select any monthly plan, add the promotion code FLIKI50, apply and you will get a 50% discount. And if you are watching this video after this offer has ended, you can use the promotion code fliki.ai10 to get a 10% discount. Now, let us see what are the new features that Fliki is offering. First, audio, video, and screen recording. Fliki now allows you to record your screen and webcam, making it super easy to create business presentations and tutorial walkthroughs. Plus, you can also record your own voice directly within Fliki, adding a personal touch to your videos. Next we have AI-generated sound effects. You can add an audio layer in your video, describe the sound that you want, and Fliki AI will generate the sound effect for you. You can also use the auto-generate feature for seamless sound integration based on your scene. Next is branding customizations. You can now keep your videos consistent with Fliki's new branding features. You can set custom colors and fonts, add watermarks, define brand guidelines, and even manage multiple channels effortlessly. We also have new voices and languages. Fliki has expanded its voice and language options, adding new ultra-realistic voices in different languages. This brings Fliki to a total of 2,260 voices across 81 languages, which is really impressive. And then finally we have some system upgrades giving a faster, smoother experience with the latest system and server upgrades, and Fliki also has a new refreshed look. So these are all the new features launched by Fliki. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to use Fliki, you can check this video right here. If you like this video then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful AI related videos. Thanks for watching.